Welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing a feature of the Proteus design software, PCB design software, which is called as a Serpentine length matching. Now, where is the length matching required? Length matching requirements exist whenever there is a need for a data to arrive at the same time. If if the data is traveling from two traces and each of these data has to arrive at a destined location at the same time, the lengths of the traces have to be equal. For this, we use the length matching operation. For a differential signal specifically, length matching ensures that the two edges of the signal are aligned and that the signal is truly differential, that is less susceptible to noise and less likely to radiate noise. So to demonstrate serpentine length matching, I'm specifically using this another board. So first of all, we have to make sure that there is enough space between the traces so that we can match the lengths. As this one, you can see this is the serpentine length matching. So first, I'll press the control button on the keyboard and select these traces. Now I've reduced the width so that I have no errors while doing the length matching. Now, keeping these traces selected, I will click on the right mouse button and you can see over here we have the length matching option over here. uh, we have the options such as remove length matching, input target length. We can input a target length specifically, like we want whatever length we want, so that all the traces that are selected can be of the same length, so as to say the length should be x. Or we can match root lengths and let the software decide what the length should be. So first I will have to remove the existing length match, and then you can see this is how the length matching occurs. And then we can move this upwards or downwards along the trace so that they do not interfere with each other. So this is how the serpentine length matching can be done in a PCB. So this is not the last feature that we are learning in PCB designing. We'll learn a few more features, but for now, that's all that I have to teach. So in the next videos, we'll be learning about the vias in PCB. So Philas, stay tuned.